Hi guys, today we're going to make Seamoss gel. So before you make this Seamoss gel, you need to wash it very well with water and salt. So I have washed mine with water and salt and cleaned them properly. And then now I cut them in pieces. So what I'm going to do is to coat them. There are so many ways to make your own Seamoss gel, but this is the fastest way. You have to add spring water, any water, drinkable water in your pot, and then add the seamoss in, and I'll use a very low heat. I reduce the heat, and after some time it looks this way. So what I'm going to do is to remove it from the pot and then pour it in my jar and use my blender to blend it evenly. It is very thick consistency. You can add more water to this, but I think it is better for me this way. I'm going to scoop them, and then after that add them in the jar, allow it to stay in the fridge. So you can't allow this to sit on your fridge for 2 weeks, and put them in your tea. You can use them in your tea or in your yogurt or anything you want to drink it with. Sometimes you can also drink it that way, but I don't like taking it that way. I take them with my yogurt, and I take them with my tea, or add them into my smoothie, and it is so good. It is quite very cheap. Thank you for watching this video. Until I come your way next time. See you soon.